Hello guys, hope you are all doing well. This is West Chaudhary, an LLC formation expert. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe and watch all the older videos so you should have an idea what we are talking about. So let's do not waste any further time and go towards our topic, which is how to get EIN for your US LLC for free. Before getting an EIN, you should have complete documents of your LLC. For the getting LLC documents, you can watch my old videos in which I have told how to get an LLC done or how to create an LLC. After getting an LLC documents, you will be applying for EIN, and actually there are two methods by which you can apply EIN. First of them is online method, but be aware this method is only for US resident, because for this method SSN, or which is also called social security number, it is required to get an EIN for your LLC or any other company which is based in US, and SSN is required to get it. So be aware, there are many service providers who are providing EIN services, but they are using someone else SSN, and after using someone else SSN and your company details, they will be getting EIN, which is a fake method, or you can say that is an illegal method. You can face many consequences after using someone else SSN for getting your EIN. So do not go for this method if you are non-resident or if you do not have a social security number. So this method is only for the US residents or US nationals. So the question is how to get EIN for non-residents. So the answer is you can get EIN for non-residents LLC by Fax method, and this method is used for the non-residents. We will be filing a SS4 form. This is an application form to get an EIN for your entity based in the US. How to apply for it using SS4 form? Let's watch. First of all, you will have to download SS4 form. Simple, go to Google and type download SS4 form. Click on the first link, which is from IRS, and download the SS4 form. It will look like this. After downloading the form, you will have to fill it out. I will be guiding how you will be filling it up. So in the first option, legal name of entity for whom the EIN is being requested, you will be putting your LLC name. For example, your LLC name is ABC LLC, you will be putting ABC LLC here. Trade name, if it is different from the above name, you will be putting your trade name. So in the next option, you will be using your business address. Suppose your address is 13359 N Highway 183, suite number 401-1211, whatever it is. You will be putting your address here, and after putting your address, you will be putting city name, state, and zip code. And after that, you will be putting the county name. You can search the county name by searching your zip code on the Google and get the county name and put it here. Travis is the county for the above postal code, so I am putting Travis County, and again put the state name. Here it is, Texas. Name of the responsible party. For example, I put Alex Martin here just for an example. You will be putting your name or the LLC owner name here, and in the 7B option you will be putting foreign, or you can put NA, that means not available. And in 8A you will be putting, is this application for LLC? Yes, it is for LLC. And 8B, if it is LLC, enter the number of LLC member. If it is single member LLC, you will be putting 1. If it is multi-member LLC, put the number of LLC members here. Like if it is 3, you will be putting here 3. I am taking an example of single member LLC, so I am putting 1. If it is yes, it LLC organized in the US, click yes here. In the next option, you will have to choose type of entity. In our case, it is disregarded entity, so click other and type disregarded entity. If it is a multi-member LLC, you will not be selecting other, or you will not be typing disregarded entity here. You will be selecting partnership option. After that, keep the rest blank. In the 10, you will be selecting started new business, specify type. You can put online business. I am taking the example of online business. So you will be putting your actual business category. So I am putting online business, and after that you will have to put in 11 date business started or acquired. For example, I am putting today's date, which is 3rd month, and after that day is 29th and year is 2025, and closing month of the accounting year. If you do not know much about it, you can put December here. And in the employee section, you will be putting 0, 0 and 0. And the next option, keep all the options blank, which I am leaving blank. You do not have to put anything there. So in the next option 16, check one box that describes the principal activity. We will be putting other, as I am taking e-commerce example. Indicate principle of business. You can put your principal line of merchandise, like I can put kitchen and household items. If you have never applied EIN for the entity which is on line 1, like in our case, which is ABC LLC, then you will be putting and selecting no here. And that's all we will have to fill. There are some blanks which are left, and you just have to put your phone number here, like I am putting a random phone number here. You can put US number or an international number. If it is an international number, put your country code with it as well. And you will have to put your fax number here. Fax number, I know, I can understand this is a problem for many of us. We do not have any physical fax or fax number. This is not a big deal. You just have to buy a fax number online, which you can buy. I will be recommended some good websites for buying fax number and sending faxes. After getting the fax number, you will be putting your fax number here. Again, I am putting just a random number. You will have to put your fax number here. After putting the fax number, you will be typing name and title, like we have example of Alex Martin, Mr. Alex Martin, and with the Alex Martin, I will be mentioning that he is the managing member of the LLC, or you can put organizer or whatever the designation of the owner is, you will be putting it here. After this, you will have to put signatures and date. I cannot put signatures and date in this form, so I will have to download it from here by clicking download. And after that, I will have to take this form to some online PDF editor or to Acrobat Reader, where I will be editing this form and putting my signatures. You can put your manual handmade signatures, or you can simply put your name here. After putting the signatures, you will have to put date. I will be putting the date of today, like it is 3rd month, which is March, 29 March and 2025. I will putting it here. After that, our SS4 form is complete. After completing the SS4 form, you will be going to some fax website, like it is one of them is fax.plus. After going to fax.plus, you will be logging in here and sending the fax. For the purpose of how to send a fax online using the website, I will be creating another video. For this video, you should only know or understand that you have how you can fill up SS4 form And after filling the SS4 form and before sending it through the fax, you should know that you will have to attach article of organization or LLC documents with this form, so your EIN can be issued. So this is all for this video. You will only have to send both forms, SS4 form and the article of association or articles of organization, combined in one file to IRS phone number. How to get the IRS phone number? Just type IRS fax number for EIN. You can see there are multiple phone fax numbers shown up here. Like one of them is this and other one is this. You can send to any of these fax number, and after sending the fax, their processing time is 4 working days. After 4 working days, you will have to call IRS and inquire about your EIN number. I will be creating another video for how to get an EIN after applying it over the phone call, or how you can follow up your EIN application. Because this video is already too much long, so I will be creating another video. If you have any other questions, please ask them in the comment section. I will be replying to all of your comments, even a single comment. So do not hesitate, put your comments, subscribe my channel, like this video if you like this, and keep following me for other useful videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Thank you.